Here's your weekly wrap-up of the BFSI sector. The RBI's Monetary Policy Committee kept the repo rate unchanged at 5.25% with a neutral stance. For FY27, it raised the inflation forecast to 5.1% from an earlier estimate of 4.6% and lowered GDP growth projection to 6.6%. The RBI cited the West Asia conflict, rising energy prices, a weak monsoon, and possible El Nino as key risks to economic growth. The government has exempted foreign institutional investors and the Bank for International Settlements from the 12.5% capital gains tax on government securities and removed the 20% withholding tax on interest earned from government bonds. The RBI expanded foreign investor access to government securities by easing investment restrictions and widening eligibility under the fully accessible route. It also raised equity investment limits for NRIs and overseas citizens of India and introduced concessional forex swap and hedging facilities until September 30 for external commercial borrowings raised by PSUs. The RBI has reviewed the idea of printing polymer banknotes, citing lower production costs and a longer lifespan compared to paper currency. A pilot project involving plastic banknotes for public use is expected to be announced soon. Citi Chair and CEO Jane Fraser said that India remains the world's fastest growing major economy and should stay focused on its long-term growth trajectory. Indian companies raised just over 1.07 trillion rupees through domestic bonds in the April to May period of FY27, down 58% from the year gap and the lowest mobilization for the period since FY23. Market participants attributed the decline to higher bond yields amid the West Asia conflict. Follow Business Standard for more updates.